Alright, so we're here for the early bird 5K run walk. This race just asked for donations of like jackets and diapers and stuff. I had a bunch of old winter jackets that I'm not using, so decided to bring it here. I'm assuming early bird because the turkey trot. So this is like an early turkey trot basically.
Okay, so we're going to start at the north end of the campus. We'll have a group going out. Bunch of balloons at the starting line. Our starting line's here. You're going to come around this back side of the building, come back up, and then you do 4 laps around. And that gets in your 3.101 miles, your 5K.
Alright, we are heading out to start to the start line. This is just a small fun run, but it's a early bird run, so it is a turkey trot kind of thing. It's not chip timed, and we're just gonna go out here and have fun. Willie's gonna win it.
I'll beat Jeremy.
Mike's gonna win it.
Nah, Mike's done it.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo!
I'll be last.
You should figure it last.
Alright, we just started. All the little kiddos are sprinting ahead. This is a 4-lap course, so it's going to be a lot of laps. I like this. Woo! Thank you, guys. I just got done with the track. Me and Willie, 3rd and 4th place overall right now. We'll see how long that lasts. These little kids are fast. Coming in on lap 1 of 4. Somebody tripped this guy.
3 more.
I know, he's cute.
Watch out, he's going to get the trip in.
Thank you. Okay. Alright, just finished the first mile earlier with an 8:52 pace. I'll probably slow down for the second one and then kick it back up the last one. We're still 3rd and 4th, Willie's up ahead of me. I'm 4th place. Trying to catch these kids. They're petering out, but so am I. Second lap. 2 more to go. I need some water. Hey.
Good job.
Hey, y'all burn a lot of calories. Here. Thank y'all. God dang. Alright. Good work. Alright, let's go. Pretty easy pace. Hopefully I can get top 3 in this small little race. If not, it don't matter. The guy behind me is catching up to me pretty quick. Alright, so the second mile was 9:38. Slow down quite a bit. I'm at 10:30 right now. Going in for the pass.
I don't think I got any boost, man. I need some Fast and Furious nitrous.
I used that boost in the beginning. That was good. Good work. On the last lap, just past the start finish line. 1 more to go. push. So I finished the race. I did push towards the end. I was top 5. I finished 5th place overall. So that was pretty good. I was, I think the highest I got was 3rd place at one point. And then the kid passed me up again. And then the guy behind me passed me up as well. But 5th place, not too bad for this big old dude. Now we have some pancakes inside. Gonna get that. This is all pretty good for a race that we just donated some clothes for. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.